Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox the HP laptop 15.6 inches. You can see the box. This is the specification and model number. i5 processor, 13th generation, 512GB SSD, M.2 NVMe, 8GB RAM, DDR4, Windows 11 Home and 15.6 inch screen. The model number is HP 15 fd0050ne. This is the part number and Energy Star certified, the model. Let's unbox. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. These are the things inside. 2 power cable, and this is a power adapter, blue pin, the small pin, 65 watts, a 19.5 voltage and 3.3 ampere, the power adapter, blue pin, small pin adapter. Does not have a type C, this model. Let's see the laptop. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel. This is the design of the laptop. 15.6 inches, silver color, slim design and lightweight, 15.6 inches screen. One hand we can lift this laptop. This is the design of the unit. 15.6 inch screen, full HD, 1920 by 1080, and this is a webcam with privacy setup. Built-in mic and light indicator. It's a slim design, very slim border. This one you can see the full size keyboard with number pad. You can see the number pad here for Excel work, and power button with small light indicator on keyboard itself. And this one comes with the backlight keyboard. This is the symbol for the backlight. It has a backlight and mute button. You can see it has a cap light with the indicator light. You can see the nice mouse touchpad design, very smooth touchpad for basic use, office use and student also. You can see this is a processor i5 13th generation and comes with a 2GB NVIDIA graphic card, MX 570 graphic card, 2GB, and you can see side ports, one USB 3.0 and HDMI and type C. Slim design and headphone jack combo, 3.5 mm. And let's see other side, what are the ports. This is a power adapter pin and one USB 3.0 also. So these are the ports available in this model. It's a very slim design for student and office use, lightweight. Slim design. This is the backside look of the unit. It's nice ventilation system, and two speaker. It has a two speakers, the back side and bottom of the unit. And these are the screw to upgrade the unit. Total 4 screws we need to remove to upgrade. So one hand we can lift this unit. Slim design, and it will not go 180 degrees. It's only going like 110 degrees only. It will not go 180 degrees. This laptop price is around $570, 570 USD dollar. So thank you for watching. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more updates of the laptop and upgrade options.